Hello everyone! I hope you're doing great. I am your friend, Rocio Carreon, and today we will talk about common English mistakes, so pay close attention. He go to school versus he goes to school. First mistake, forgetting the S in the present simple tense. In English, when we talk about he, she, or it, we must add an S to the verb. The correct way to say it is he goes to school every day. Now let's practice. My dad goes to work early in the morning. The bus goes to the city. I have 10 years versus I am 10 years old. In many languages, people say I have 10 years, but in English, we use am for age. The correct way to say it is I am 10 years old. Think of am as part of your identity or as if you're describing yourself. I am happy. I am tall. Let's practice. I am a teacher. I am from Mexico. I am ready for the test. She is more tall versus she is taller. In English, we don't say more tall, we say taller because we add ER to short adjectives. The correct way to say it is she is taller than her sister. With long adjectives, we use more. For example, she is more beautiful than her sister. Let's practice. This box is bigger than that one. He is faster than his brother. The movie was more exciting than the book. I am agree versus I agree. In English, agree is a verb, so we don't say I am agree. We just say I agree. The correct way to say it is I agree with you. Let's practice. I agree with this rule. Do you agree with me? You're welcome versus you're welcome. Your shows possession, your book, while your means you are. The correct way to say it is you're welcome. She don't like pizza. She doesn't like pizza. When using he, she, it, we say doesn't instead of don't. The correct way to say it is she doesn't like pizza. Let's practice. He doesn't play soccer. She doesn't eat meat. It doesn't work. I really hope you like this video. Hit the like button and subscribe. Have fun!